How to sign up for JVZoo affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to sign up for JVZoo affiliate program. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you'll land on this interface. Then you need to click on start for free. Now you need to create an account. You need to type your full name and your email address, your password, and then you need to confirm the password. Now you need to click on register. Then you need to check your inbox for a verification email. Just go to your Gmail and check for the mail. Once you click on the link they mailed you, then you need to provide your email and password here. So my account has been successfully created. As you can see in this left sidebar, you can see for an option affiliates. This is my dashboard, and you here you can see your daily statistics, and in this left sidebar here you can see an option for affiliates. Here you can see your affiliate dashboard, affiliate quick start, and approved products. Let's find some products. Click on find products, and from here you can find products, and if you want to request for approval, click on request approval. If we go to affiliate quick start, then from here you can see approved products number and refund rate and customer value. This is how you can sign up for JVZoo affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.